Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by signing into Google Voice and confirming service availability. This prevents surprises later. Enter a verified phone number and link it to your Google account so incoming verification codes reach you. That step enables calling features. Once done, open Settings and add a payment method or add credit. International calls bill differently, so fund the account to avoid dropped calls. Make sure to note per minute rates, because understanding cost helps you pick the right call length and destination. Now you make the first international call, enter the number in E164 format, plus sign, country code, then local digits, because Google Voice prefers standardized input. Go to Call Settings and choose whether calls start from the app, linked number, or web. This affects caller ID and routing. Also toggle Wi-Fi calling when on weak cellular networks, because data calls can be cheaper and clearer. Once configured, place a short test call to confirm audio, billing display, and that the recipient sees the intended caller ID. Finish each call by checking billing and call log so you catch billing errors early. Google Voice shows per minute charges, and monitoring prevents surprises. If the audio quality drops or calls fail, first switch between Wi-Fi and cellular, restart the app, and verify microphone and background data permissions. These steps fix most issues. If problems persist, collect call timestamps, error messages, and screenshots. Then contact Google Voice support for escalation. Having evidence speeds resolution and may restore credits if misbilling occurred.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.